Talk to me, honey. Can you talk to me now?
Yes.
Then talk to me like the rain. And let me listen. It's been too long a time since we leveled with each other. Now, tell me things. What have you been thinking in this silence while I've been passed around like a dirty postcard in this city? Please, tell me. Talk to me. Talk to me like the rain. And I will lie here. And I will listen. Oh, you've got to, honey. You've got to. It's necessary. I've got to know. So tell me. Talk to me. Talk to me like the rain. And I will lie here and listen. I will lie right here. And I will
want to go away.
You do?
I want to go away.
How?
Alone. I'll register under a made-up name at a little hotel on the coast.
What name?
Anna Jones. The chambermaid will be a little old lady who has a grandson she talks about. I'll sit in the chair while the old lady makes the bed, and my arms will hang over the sides, and her voice will be peaceful. She'll tell me what her grandson had for supper. Tapioca and cream. The room will be shadowy, cool, and filled with the murmur of
Rain.
Yes, rain.
And
Anxiety will pass over.
yes.
And I will receive a check in the mail every week that I can count on. The little old lady will cash the checks for me and get me books from a library and pick up laundry. I'll always have clean things. I'll dress in white. I'll never be very strong or have much energy left, but have enough after a while to walk out on the esplanade, to walk out on the beach without effort. In the evening, I'll walk on the esplanade along the beach. I'll have a certain beach where I go to sit, a little ways from the pavilion where the band plays Victor Herbert selections while it gets dark. I'll have a big room with shutters on the windows. And there will be a season of rain, rain, rain. Then one day, I will look in the mirror and see that my hair has turned white. White. Absolutely white. As white as the foam on the waves. And I will run my hands down my body and feel how amazingly white and thin I have grown. Oh my, how thin I will be. Almost transparent, not hardly real anymore. Then I will realize, I will know, sort of dimly, that I have been staying on here in this little hotel without any social connections, responsibilities, anxieties, or disturbances for just about 50 years. Half a century. Practically practically a lifetime. I won't even remember the names of the people I knew before I came here, nor how it feels to be someone waiting for someone that may not come. Then I will know. Looking in the mirror, the first time has come for me to walk out alone once more on the esplanade with the strong wind beating on me. The white, clean wind blows from the edge of the world, from even further than that, from the cool outer edges of space, from even beyond whatever there is beyond the edges of space.
Baby, why don't you come on back to bed with me?